student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we are discussing about 2025 G Advanced Organic Chemistry paper. They have given this reactant when this substrate react with this NaNH2 and followed by allyl bromide and then Ag2 positive hydrolysis will get R. So at that moment number of unsaturated carbon in R we have to find out. So what you have to do, you have to search of how many carbons are there outside of the ring. 6 carbon are there inside the ring, and then C triple bond CH. This is sp2 hybridized, this is sp hybridized, and this is sp hybridized. Means outside of the ring there are 2 carbons. Okay, so we can call it phenylacetylene. Okay, now when it react with NaNH2, so first of all what will happen, this hydrogen is sp hybridized, carbon is sp hybridized, so hydrogen is acidic, so easily replaced by Na, and we'll get C Na and acetylide, phenyl sodium acetylide will get. Now this allyl bromide having affinity, MBr is having affinity with Na, so this carbon is joined to this carbon and NABR will be lost. Okay, SN2 reaction will be there, NABR is lost. So from where it is lost? From this carbon. So this carbon joined to this carbon here. Okay, that is why double bond is far away. Now what will happen? Ag2 positive and hydrolysis takes place. So hydration takes place here. In case of this hydration, what will happen here? Here keto group is obtained. So we'll get CH3, C double bond O. Okay, keto group is obtained. So CH2, CH double bond CH2, it will remain as such. Okay, so we are saying H2 coming here, O coming over here, so keto group is obtained. Okay, now we will see how many number of unsaturated carbons are there. So 6 sp2 hybridized carbon in the benzene ring, and 1 sp2 hybridized carbon in the carbonyl group, and 1 sp2 here, 1 sp2 here. So total 1 2 3 3 plus 6 9. Here earlier I have written 8, so that is why I reloaded this, uploaded it. So 9 carbon unsaturated over here. Okay, so in this way we will find out that here NaNH2 react with this terminal alkyne, so we'll get sodium acetylide, phenyl sodium acetylide, then allyl bromide react with this by SN2 reaction, and we'll get this the whole 3 carbon will join to here, NABR will be lost, SN2 reaction is there, and Ag2 positive and then S3O positive, hydration takes place in presence of catalyst means, so hydration takes place and we'll get this derivative, keto derivative, double bond remain intact, so total 9 unsaturated